How to hard reset back to the factory default settings a pair of M02S smart glasses. These are marketed by a bunch of different companies: Amwentu, Tulbeys, GenXenon, and others. And you might want to do this hard reset to the factory default settings for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if these are not syncing with the app properly, or they're not connecting to your phone, anything like that. This hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. You will need to set it up again as new. And the second reason is just that if you want to set this up as new on a new phone, on a new app, we can go ahead and just clear everything out. So it's quite easy. All we're going to do is we're going to come in this front button. We're just going to hold it for 10 seconds. It's going to turn on like normal, and then you'll see it'll turn off, and then it'll turn back on. So we hold it. So you can see it now. It's just turned on. It made its little chime to turn on. It made another little chime there, and then that blue button goes solid, and it goes off and then back on. And now it has been reset to the factory default settings. We can go ahead and set these up as a new set of glasses.